What's up, everybody? Microsoft has released a new Xbox Series S controller, which is an upgrade to the Xbox One controller. This controller works with all the Xbox One series console, Windows 10, Android, and iOS. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. That's a nice color. Let's take a close look. Now let's check what's in the box. We got our battery here. We got our user manual. We got Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Wow. I will be giving this out in my next video, so stay tuned and check out my next video. And that's it. There's nothing in the box, just the controller, the battery, user manual, and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Some of the difference between the old Xbox One controller and the new Xbox Series S controller is the size. The old Xbox One controller is a little bit bigger than the new one, and the new one have a new button, which is the share button. If you press on this button, you can start recording your screen. And another difference is the new Xbox Series S controller have a USB Type-C, and the old one have a USB mini port. I hope this controller is stronger and better than the old one, because I keep breaking about 4 controllers a year for Xbox controllers. The left stick is not really that quality. It keeps breaking after 3 to 4 months. And that's really annoying. I like the buttons.
Arrived at your destination.
Let me know what you think about this controller in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you again next time.